Igbo ekele m unu. Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. Ụtụtụ ọma nuo. All because of ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị bụ isi ama afara. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ejighị eji, onwe onye na-ekwu okwu, isi ka ikwu okwu, asị ka were IPOB gbuo gị. Ha hapụ anyị ka anyị kwuo okwu. Nwanne Nnamdi Kalu a na-akpọ Emmanuel Kalu na nwanne ya nwoke ha sịla ha ga-eme ka iso na ha ga-egbu m na m na-aga ikwu ọtụtụ ihe mbụ ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị. Why m ji ekwu ihe ahụ? Nke mba abụrụ gịnị? You heard when Nnamdi Kalu made an announcement and said that the land opposite Golden Guinea is ancestral land, that he himself don't have time for all this kind of rubbish. But look at what is happening in my village now. Nobody is ready to talk. If I talk, they say they will kill me. No problem. I've already started talking. 1978, the father of Nnamdi Kalu sold the land. His own land, 1978. To one Mr. Obinna Ukeka, who was a staff of CBN Bank. Caleb, one Mr. Caleb, who was a staff in CBN in 1978. Look at the documents, 1978, what is happening in my community. And they are using IPOB to terrorize my community. They now change it and say that Eze Afara is terrorizing the community. Who am I to terrorize the whole community? Because I'm saying the truth. Nnamdi Kalu Meperono Solar Blacks are more wicked than they are wicked. Himself is the most wicked person I've ever met in my life. Look at his father's signature. As far back as 1978. Look at 1978. How many years now? Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kalu's father. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kalu's father. Nnamdi Kalu signed. The mother signed. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kalu. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kalu. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kalu when he was a student. The mother signed. Himself signed. If they want to buy the land back, is it not to go and see the son of the man, the only son of the man have? Obinna. But as of today, they are building two-story building in that land now. As I speak to you, Hana no two-story building. Ala choga do Obinna ka egbo ya. Ala choga do Obinna obiala la ka egbo ya. Ndị village anyị ọwụla ha amaghị. Ha na-ahụ the boy ya na-ebe akwa. The boy is crying every day in my community. Nobody want to talk. Nobody want to assist that boy. They are using IPOB. See the boy. Can you see the boy? Tell them what you are passing through.
Okay.
My community.
I am Obinna Ukeka, the son of Chima Ukeka of Central Bank Akure.
God forbid.
I am from Nkpa, the local government of Bende. I have a land, or my father bought a land in from I.O. Kano, that's Nnamdi Kalu's father, in 1978. And now, a fine boy, that is Nnamdi Kalu's brother, and his member, the IOB, are trying to, or they have taken the land from me. They have, they're trying to build a house on the land, and now I don't have any access to the land. 4 years ago, I reported the case to Zone 9, and which the police warned them and told them to leave the land for me. Now they have continued and started building on the land. Please, I am a Biafran too. My father fought for Biafra. Please help me. Is it how a Biafran should treat a Biafran? Please help me.
Yes, you can see it. I will continue to tell you what is happening in my community. If they like, let them come and kill me. Any person who is listening to that idiot, Emma Powerful, on Facebook, is seeing them the brother, younger brother, Emma Powerful. It's not nothing like Secretary IPOB giving us false information all over Nigeria. Leave this young man to make use of his property. Why are you so wicked? You open up your mouth and say that blacks are wicked. You and your family are more than wicked. More are coming. Other lands. Your father sees and your own you sees too. Thank you.